Hi viewers, welcome to Foodie channel. Today we are preparing traditional mango pickle. In olden days, it's spring season. With fresh and new mangoes, the traditional mango pickle is prepared at Ugadi festival. So let's get started to the procedure. Take new mangoes, peel the skin and remove the seed from the inside and cut into your pieces. In a mixer jar, take dry coconut and blend to a fine powder. In the same jar, add mango pieces. To that add turmeric powder, chili powder as per your spice and salt as per your taste, coriander powder and ginger garlic paste. Now blend to a smooth paste and transfer it to a bowl. For tadka, heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, red chilli, curry leaves and a pinch of hing. Fry for a minute. Transfer tadka on it and mix it well. Traditional mango pickle is ready to serve. Traditional mango pickle can be prepared instantly with fresh mangoes and enjoy the flavors of fresh mangoes. It can be stored for 10 days in refrigerator and it is a very good combination with rice, chapati, puri, paratha and dosa. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.